Well, dude, don't worry, dude. I'll put a brick in your pants, you know what I'm saying, with this video.
That's the intro.
Alrighty. Hey guys, welcome back to another video today. We're playing Lethal Company with my friends. So make sure you guys, before we get started, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe button.
This is the part where I smack the shit out of you.
I like. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Guys, watch out! There's nothing threatening.
Stop.
I love it.
The cave's fun when you don't get a man-eater.
Yeah. Which is very unlikely with the cave.
But you know what? I think I could take it as long as you don't get the spider.
True. Hey. I found a cash register. I'm gonna go take this back.
Okay.
Pizza! Here's a pizza, yeah! For you and me. Okay. She's fine.
What the f- Oh no, bro! Holy shit. Where am I? Oh my god, I just need to get to the damn ship. Oh god damn it! Oh, they're like a... Jesus Christ, man.
Motherfucker, I didn't do nothing to you or your family. Oh my god.
Z is fine. Here goes the angel. Z a damn it. Oh.
I want you to take my genitals. My genitals, sir.
No. Like I said. Damn! Guys, we have hella money. Can we go to an expensive thing?
Essentially make my own schedule at work.
Yeah? Your own
This is
schedule
weird.
one?
It's weird. Yeah. Schedule 1, substances.
Illegal
Such as
company?
marijuana. What is this? Some kind of lethal
Oh.
schedule 1 substance?
Company?
Company?
Whoa. Whoa.
Zia, what's wrong with you?
Whoa.
Yeah. I wish I could punch you.
Oh,
wish I
whoa.
could Schedule 1 so I could wait,
Whoa.
why are
Do you see that?
sliding Around?
What the
Whoa.
fuck?
Is that normal?
No.
Hey,
Whoa.
what am I doing? Am I walking?
Yeah, you're walking, Zia's
Whoa.
Zia, what are you
sliding.
doing?
I'm not even doing anything.
You're
I was
sliding.
hoping that I was doing something weird on your end. I'm just sliding. Going, whoa.
You're sliding
You're sliding
around.
around. You're not walking. You're sliding.
I'm pathetic.
Oh my god,
I found the apparatus. I'm gonna pull it.
Oh my god. I found hella shit, I'm going back. I'm dropping it off. The angel's inside. Ooh, Zia's made a gnarly jump. I'm gonna organize this. What the fuck?
Oh god, holy crap. Get the hell out of me. Jesus Christ.
Like, it's really
I did
quiet and
too.
no one's talking.
I was
Holy shit.
because I didn't want somebody to hear me.
Is
I
it,
was like, no way.
should we just pull it?
I said, yeah, cheek it.
Alright. I got it! Oh, fuck!
Yo. So walkie-talkies are $6 right now.
I think you should buy 17 of them.
7? I think max is 12.
Buy
Let
12
me see.
walkie-talkies. That's 4 for each of us.
Get a one jump on.
Schedule one jump line? Oh my god, Zia, you scared the shit out of me. Guys.
You're a guy in. And someone has to go out there and get 12 walkie-talkies.
I'll be the one. Oh, it's Eclipse.
I'll tell you. Oh my god, Jonathan, you have to.
I didn't know.
I'm joking. I'm joking. I know you bought them. It's okay. It's okay. I only have on me a little bit.
Huh? Okay. All the walkies are here.
Oh my god, bro. I got this.
Okay. I have aggro! Ah!
Oh no, who died?
There's only 3 of us.
No way, I got 4.
Holy shit, there's so many! Oh my god.
Hey, load him in the thing while I'm getting these.
What? Oh,
Put him in the shelf, put him in the damn shelf, Zia. God damn it. Okay. There's 8 more. No, there's not. There's 4 more. I could do this. There's only 4 more, Zia.
Oh, he's cooked.
Dude, I'm gonna grab these walkie-talkies and we're gonna get the hell out of here because this ain't worth it. We're gonna lose everything.
They're actually all gone. Shit. Where is it? Where did they all go?
I got him. It's okay. It's cool.
holy shit. Alright, should I take off?
Did we take off? We should run in there and try to get some.
Okay, let
Probably go one at a time. You wanna run in, or you want me to
go
run
for it. Do it.
in? Okay.
Brave.
Let's go.
Wait, see.
Make it
Is it
just
me do it? Or you do it?
No, me. I'll do
Okay,
it.
you do it, yeah. You go for it. Yeah, I'll watch on the camera, don't worry.
Oh, Zia's already cooked. God damn. Can giants be up here? It's a stupid question. That's a genuine one. I literally didn't say eclipsed or anything. Oh! Oh my god!
Go, 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 go,
Oh
go, go,
my
go, go.
god, dude! Did you
There's, I,
jump all the way down here?
Is this working?
No,
yeah.
Oh.
it's not charged enough.
My turn.
Wait, I don't think I charged mine. Wait, I don't think I charged mine.
Make sure your walk is charged.
Alright, I'm gonna charge mine real quick. Hold on.
I'm trying to charge it right now.
Guys, I'm gonna charge it. Guys, can we clear the walkie line? I gotta charge my walkie.
Yeah, don't forget to charge your walk.
I think I need to charge my walkie.
Guys, I'm coming in for a quick walkie charge.
Guys, I think my walkie's charged.
I think it's charged, but me using it, I need to charge it again.
No,
Oh my god.
that's fine. That's what the mask is. What the
Oh my god, Zia! Take off! Take off! Take off! God damn it! Angel, take off! Zia, put on the goddamn mask!
I can't.
Take off!
I can't.
God damn it! God
Pull the
damn it! Pull the damn lever!
I pulled it out.
Oh my god!
Dude, when they say it could happen in a millisecond, they mean it, bro.
I literally, I'm the one who told you. I told you from.
Yeah.
I hate.
Yeah,
Just
what a-
shut up. I hate that your character's shaking your head, motherfucker. Before you even started talking, I already saw it coming. I saw the fucking sass.
Yeah.
Oh. They took the tip.
You snatched that thing.
No. No.
Yaha. that shit was so
They're charging shit.
hearing you scream over the goddamn walkie-talkie. It's so funny. Zia, do it. Did they kill the bees? Oh my god.
No.
What only run? Horny?
Come on. They're not gonna get the Zapamatic. Oh god.
What does that mean? Oh, horny.
Oh, please find my body so you can see that I have a Zapamatic. Grab the Zap gun. To your left, 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 to your left. Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, you motherfucker, go back!
Alright, let's get your phone.
I just saw a fucking jester, bro.
As soon as it starts winding, just make your way out. I believe in you. Oh, yep, there's...
It's fine. On
Oh.
the way out. I'm like,
Birds got me. I'm flying. Birds got me.
fine on my way out. I think I might drop my line.
It's okay, you're fine. You'll make it.
Holy.
I'm in the air! I'm in the air! Oh, fuck! I'm about to... Oh my god! Oh, I lived! No fucking way! Holy shit!
I'm okay for the most part.
I hear the sound of the elevator.
Dude.
How was it? Oh, it's foggy as shit.
Oh god.
Guys, I figured it out. That didn't help at all. Oh. Hey man. Hey man. Whoa. What the fuck is happening? Oh shit. Oh my god! No way. Is today our last day? No. I like Friends.